से हम शुरू करेंगे अल मोमिनून चैप्टर 23 दी बिलीवर्स 23.1 Successful indeed are believers. 2. Those who humble themselves in prayer. 3. And those who avoid idle talk. 4. Those who pay alms. 5. Those who guard their chastity. 6. Except with their wives or those bondwomen in their possession, for then they are freed from blame. 7. But whoever seeks beyond that are the transgressors. 8. The believers are also those who are true to their trusts and covenants. 9. And those who are properly observant of their prayers. 10. These are the ones who will be awarded. 11. Paradise is their own, they will be there forever. 12. And indeed we created humankind from an extract of clay. 13. Then placed each human as a sperm drop in a secure place. 14. Then we developed the drop into a clinging clot of blood, then developed the clot into a lump of flesh, then developed the lump into bones, then clothed the bones with flesh, then we brought it into being as a new creation. So blessed is Allah, the best of creators. 15. After that you will surely die. 16. Then on the day of judgment you will be resurrected. 17. And indeed we created you 7 levels of heaven. We are never unmindful of our creation. 18. We send down rain from the sky in perfect measure, causing it to soak into the earth, and we are surely able to take it away. 19. With it we produce you gardens of palm trees and grapevines, in which there are abundant fruits, and from which you may eat. 20. As well as olive trees which grow at Mount Sinai, providing oil and a condiment to it. 21. And there is certainly a lesson for you in cattle, from whose bellies we gave you milk to drink, and in them there are many other benefits for you, and from them you may eat. 22. And you are carried upon some of them and upon ships. 23. Indeed we sent Noah to his people. He declared, O my people, worship Allah alone. You have no God other than Him. Will you not then fear Him? 24. But the disbelieving chiefs of his people said to the masses, this is only a human like you who wants to be superior to you. Had Allah willed, He could have easily sent down angels instead. We have never heard of this in the history of our forefathers. 25. He is simply insane. So bear with him for a while.